For the following exercises, determine whether each function is increasing or decreasing. All right. So first of all, I need to understand what the general nature of this function is, right? I'm looking to understand if it's a linear function or quadratic or quartic or cubic or whatever you want to call it, all right? And I kind of realized that it's probably a linear equation. How did I know that? Well, first of all, I just disregard that. I call it y. All right. Anytime I see n of x, f of x, g of x, whatever, I just call it y. In my mind, at least. You can write it down that way too. All right. They basically mean the same thing. So now I'm looking at this, and this looks just a whole lot easier to me for some reason. And now what I'm realizing is that, well, this looks strikingly similar to the y is equal to mx plus b form. Right? Once you know you're dealing with a linear equation, it's fairly now straightforward how to determine whether it's increasing or decreasing. You literally have to identify the slope value and the sign associated with it. And that's all you need to know. Because a negative slope indicates the function is decreasing, and a positive slope would have indicated that it is increasing. Can't speak. So this one is decreasing, right? Decreasing, because the sign of the slope is negative. It's easy. It's as easy as that. Take a look at this one now. I bet you can do that quickly. Just call that y, right? And who cares? It doesn't even matter. You're noticing that this is basically y is equal to mx plus b. So what's the slope? M is the slope, right? And there you go. What's the sign? Negative. Decreasing. That is it, my friend. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it very much. Help us out and subscribe if you can. And tell your friends too. Thank you. Take care.